Hello students, welcome to my channel. After a long time, I have again come with some new and enjoyable videos on mathematics. So on the first day, let's start on the chapter exponents, which is a very interesting chapter of class 8. Exponents. What is the meaning of exponents? What should we do in exponents? How to solve the problems on exponents? Everything we will learn in this lecture. So let's get started. First, what is exponent? Suppose I am telling you to multiply 4 times 2. What will you do? You will do 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. This is the 4 times multiplication of 2, and the answer of this is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 16, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. The answer is 16. Very easy. Now if I tell you multiply to 100 times, so in that case 100 times multiplication of 2 will be too much hectic to write on page, because you have to count how many times you are writing. You have to you need so much space to write 100 times 2. So for to make it easy, we need exponent. How? See, this 4 times 2, I can write it as 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. This 4 times multiplication of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. Similarly, 100 times 2 multiplication can be written as 2 to the power of 100. Very easy. Now, 2 to the power of 4 of 16, what is it this 2 called? What this 4 is called? What is this 16 is called? So let's learn about them. First, this 2. This 2 is called the base of the exponent. This is the base. This 4 is the power. 4 is the power. And this 16 is the result of the exponent. This is the result. Now, if I tell you to multiply 5 times 3, then you will write it 3 to the power of 5. You will write it by 3 to the power of 5, which will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. 5 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now, if I tell you to multiply this, what will you do? 3 to the power of 5 multiply by 3 to the power of 3. That means you will do here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the 3 to the power 5 value. And 3 cube value is also 3 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Now see, how many times 3s are there? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer of this will be 3 to the power of 8. See here, 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 cube will be 3 to the power 8. That means when we are multiplying two exponent, the powers are added. So a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n will be a to the power of m plus n. This is one formula. This is the formula. Now, if I divide same thing, 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 3. In this case, we will write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times 3 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times 3. See here, these three cancelling, these three are cancelling, these three and these three are cancelling. So only two threes are remaining in the numerator. So it will be 3 to the power squared by 1, which is 3 square. That means when we are dividing two exponent, the powers are subtracted. So I can write it a to the power m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. This is also one formula. Now see here, this base a, here this a and here this a, both are same. So in that case the formula is like this. Now the if the bases are not same, if they are different, in that case what will you do? Suppose 2 to the power of 5 multiply by 3 to the power of 3. Can we multiply this using exponent? The answer will be no. So this cannot be multiplied using the formula of exponent. So we have to multiply it by individually. Means 2 to the power 5 value we have to calculate and 3 to the power 3 value we have to calculate. Then we can multiply it. But if the powers are same, means if 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5 is there, can we multiply it using a formula? The answer will be yes. The answer will be when the powers are same. See, here is also 5, here is also 5. In that case, we have to multiply the bases and the same power will be written in the result. That means here 2 is the base in the first term and 3 is the base in the second term. So we will write it as 2 multiplied by 3 and the power will be same as it is. Means 5 was the power in the previous case. So the power will be same 5. So the answer is 6 to the power of 5. That means when the bases are same, powers are not same. In that case, these two formula we have to use. This formula and this formula. Powers are not same but bases are same. But when powers are same, bases are not same. In that case, we have to use this formula. A to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m will be equal to a multiplied by b to the power of m. Means powers are same. Here also m, here also m. So in the answer also m power will be there. And the bases will be multiplied. A and b are multiplied here. This is also one formula. Now let's talk about inverse. Inverse means what? Inverse means to the power of minus 1. Suppose I am writing 2 to the power of minus 1. That means it will be 1 by 2 to the power of 1. This minus will make it 1 by the remaining. Means suppose x without this minus, what is there? 2 to the power of 1. So that 2 to the power 1 will come in the denominator and minus will make it 1 by 2 to the power 1. Similarly, if I write 2 to the power of minus 2, it will be 1 by, without minus what is there? 2 to the power of 2. So write 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power of minus 5. What will be the answer? 1 by 2 to the power of 5. These are the inverses. Now, if I write a by b to the power of minus m or n suppose, then what will be the answer? See here, a to the power of minus n and by b to the power of minus n will become a to the power of minus n by b to the power of minus n. It will become, see, 2 to the power of minus 1 is becoming 1 by 2 to the power of 1, means if I omit this minus, the remaining all will come in the new denominator. Similarly, here also, except this minus, remaining all is one what? A to the power n. That will come in the denominator. That means a to the power n will come in the denominator. Similarly, here also, it is already in the denominator. So except minus, b to the power n will go in the numerator now. So now b to the power n will go in the denominator. Sorry, numerator. So the answer will be b by a to the power of n. That means when any negative exponent is there or negative power is there, then we have to make the reciprocal of the base. So a by b will become b by a. Now if the power is 0, we know that something power is 0 means 1. But can we prove it? Yes. How we can prove it? Let's do. Let's prove a to the power 0 is equals to 1. How we can prove it? Let's prove. We know that a to the power of m by a to the power of m is equals to 1. Why? Because we are dividing the same number by same number. So when we are dividing two same numbers, that value will be 1. Now, using the rule of exponent, a to the power of m by a to the power of m is what? A to the power of m minus m. I already said that when we are dividing two exponents, the powers will be subtracted. In this formula, when we are dividing two exponents, the powers are subtracted. So in here also, m and m, these two powers, m and m will be subtracted. So the value will be 1. So m minus m is 0. So that means a to the power 0 is 1. This is the small proof of a to the power 0 is 1. So for any value of a, the a to the power 0 will be 1. That means if you write the triangle to the power 0, which is not in real, but hypothetically this is correct. Now, if I write power upon a power, that means if I write 2 to the power of 3 again power 2, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Why? Because we know square means what? In what is inside in the square, that we will write 2 times. Like a square means a into a. So 2 to the power 3 square is 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. Now we know 2 to the power 3 means what? 3 times 2 multiply. So write it 3 times. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiply by 2. Again 3 times multiply 2. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So how many times I have multiplied? 6 times. So I will write it 2 to the power of 6. So what we have done? 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. The value is 2 to the power 6. And the formula, which formula we are following here? Formula will be following in like 2 to the power of m whole to the power of m. When power is upon a power, then the value will be, powers will be multiplied. That means 2 to the power of m into n. That is 2 to the power of mn. Mn means m into n. This is also one formula. Now let's do some problems. Those who have R.S. Agarwal book, please follow the exercise 2A. So from the exercise 2A, R.S. Agarwal book, let's do the first problem. Evaluate 4 to the power of minus 3. The first question, evaluate 4 to the power of minus 3. 4 to the power of minus 3 means what we have done? 4 to the 1 by 4 to the power of 3, which is 1 by 3 times product of 3, product of 4, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4, so 4 into 4 into 4 means 64. That means the value of 4 to the power of minus 3 will be 1 by 64. Similarly, let's do the question number 5. Minus 2 divided by 3 whole to the power of minus 5. So this problem, how we will do it? I have told already that when minus is there, then we have to make the reciprocal. So minus will become plus and the base will become reciprocal. So minus 2 by 3 reciprocal is minus 3 by 2. So write it minus 3 by 2 and power will become plus. So it will be 5. Now minus, when we are doing odd power of minus, the answer will become minus. Odd power of negative number will become negative, or an even power of a negative number is positive. So as here odd power is there, so the answer will become negative. And 3 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5 will be there. 3 to the power 5 means 5 times 3 multiplied. So the answer will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. That means 343, 243 divided by 2 to the power 5 means 32. So answer is minus 243 divided by 32. Now let's do the question number 2, second question. Let's do the question number 2, second question. 5 by 6 whole to the power of 6, 5 by 6 whole to the power of 6 multiply by 5 by 6 whole to the power of minus 4. So I can see here this base and this base are same. Powers are not same. So I have already told, when powers are not same, bases are same, then we have to make the same base, which is 5 by 6, and powers, as we are multiplying here, so powers will be added. Now here 6 power is there and here minus power is there. So 6 and minus 4 if we add, so it will become 6 minus 4. Don't think we are subtracting here. We are actually adding. But as here minus is there, so plus minus 4 will become minus 4. So it will become 5 by 6 whole to the power of 4, 2. 5 by 6 whole to the power of 2, which will become 25 by 36. The answer is 25 by 36. Now let's do the question number 3, second question. 3 का second question. The question is minus 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 4 multiply by minus 2 by 5 whole to the power of 2. So it will be, first, for this minus, we have to make it reciprocal. That means minus 3 by 5 reciprocal is minus 5 by 3, and this minus become plus and become plus 4. This become plus 4 multiply by minus 2 by 5 whole to the power of 2 is there. So now I will write it minus whole to the power 4. The power is even, so minus even power of any negative number is positive, so it will become plus. That means plus 5 to the power of 4 5 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4 multiply by minus, and even power of minus is positive, so it will become 2 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of 2. So the answer will be 5 to the power 4 by 5 square. See here, 5 to the power 4 is here and 5 to the power 2 is here. So it will become 5 to the power of 4 minus 2. When we are dividing, the powers will be subtracted. So powers are subtracted. Multiply by 2 to the power 2, which is 4, divided by 3 to the power of 4, which is 81. So the answer will be 5 to the power 2, that means 25. 25 multiplied by 4, which is 100, and divide by 81. Now let's do another problem from that exercise. Let's do the question number 4 2. The second question of 4. So it is third bracket open, then second bracket open, then first bracket open, minus 1 by 3 whole to the power of 2, again second bracket close, minus 2, third bracket close, minus 1. So I have already told, when there is power upon power, power upon power, then what we have to do? We have to multiply the powers. We have to multiply the powers. Here also we are multiplying the powers, means the answer will become minus 1 by 3. This 2, minus 2 and minus 1 will be multiplied. So 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4, and minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 4. So the answer will be minus whole to the power 4. Even power of negative number is positive. The answer will become positive 1 by 3 to the power of 4, which is 1 by 81. This is the answer. So the question is looking very hard. Means someone will become frightened after seeing this question. But the procedure is too much easy, and it is one linear question. It can come in MCQ question. So no need to fear about after seeing this question. Just cool your mind and follow the steps only. Next, let's do the question number 5. Let's do the question number 5. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3. 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 3. Sorry, minus 3. Multiply by, sorry, divide by 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. Divide by 1 by 4 minus 3. Now, 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 means 3 to the power of 3. So it will become 3 to the power of 3 minus, it will become 2 to the power of 3. Divide by, it will become 4 to the power of 3. Why it will be 1 by 3 becomes 3, 1 by 2 becomes 3, 2, 1 by 4 becomes 2, 4, because of the minus in the power. When in the power negative is there, then we have to make it reciprocal. The base we have to make reciprocal. So 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3, 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2, 1 by 4 reciprocal is 4. Now 3 cube means 27 minus 2 cube means 8, divided by 4 cube means 64. So the answer will become 19 by 64. 19 by 64. Very easy question it was. Next, let's do the question number 3 of 8. 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2. Very easy question. 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2. So that means it will become 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2. That means 4 plus 9 plus 16 is the answer, which is 13 plus 16, which is 29 is the answer. Now let's do the question number 10. Let's do the question number 10. Question number 10. Find the value of x. The question is 4 by 9, 4 by 9 whole to the power of 4 multiply by 4 by 9 multiply by minus 7, and it is equals to 4 by 9 whole to the power of 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Now as the base, all bases are same. These three all bases are same. So when we are multiplying these first two, this one and this one, what we have to do? We have to add the powers. So add power means 4 by 9 to the power of 4 minus 7, it will become 4 minus 7. And in the right side it is there. What is there? 4 by 9 whole to the power of 2x minus 7. Now in an equation, when in an equation the bases are same, this base and this base are same, that means powers should be equal. Without becoming equal, the powers, both sides cannot be same. So power should be equal. So in the left side, power is 4 minus 7, and in the right side, power is 2x minus 1. 4 minus 7 is minus 3, and this minus 1 will go in the left side and become plus 1. This minus 1 will become left side and become plus 1, which is equals to 2x. 2x equals to minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2. So 2x will become minus 2. X will become minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. So the value of x is minus 1. So it was very easy question. Now let's do the question number 12. Question number 12. The question is, by what number should this be divided so that the quotient may be this? So let us assume that minus 2 by 3 to the power of minus 3 be divided by x to make a quotient 4 by 27 to the power of minus 2. So according to the question, we have to assume the divider. So we can write it minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 divided by x equal to 4 by 27 to the power of minus 2. That means the value of x will become this divided by this, which is minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 divided by 4 by 27 to the power of minus 2. Now minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 means minus 3 by 2 whole to the power of 3. As the negative power is there, so we have to make the base reciprocal. Multiply by, sorry, right, divide by minus power is there, so make it reciprocal. 27 by 4 whole to the power of 2. Now after doing this, we have to omit this divided sign and make it multiply. So to do it, what will you do? First, minus, I can write it minus 3 cube by 2 cube. Negative, even odd power of negative number is negative. Then we write it multiply sign and make it reciprocal. When we are dividing, when we are changing a divide sign into multiply sign, we have to make reciprocal in the next of the next term. So next term is 27 by 4 to the power 2. We have to make it 4 by 27 to the power of 2. And to the power 2 means right here 2, right here 2. So the answer will be minus 3 cube. 3 cube means 27 by, we can write it 27 square. Multiply by 4 square means 16. Divide by 2 cube means 8. So 8 to the 16 and 27 the 27 square. In the denominator, two 27s are there. So 127 we can cancel out. So 1 will be remaining. The answer will be minus 2 by 27. This is the answer. So this is for today now. We will meet in the next class with the next exercise. So hope for best. Good luck and keep practicing. And please, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and please like the video. Thank you.